Yo, I can see him viewing. No, bro. Let's go. You got this. Go Hurricanes. Go, go. Oh my God, he's winning, y'all. How many hats are there?
I gave here at 7:30. It was like 5 people.
Go get him, yeah. Two hats, that's it? That's short. That's what I'm talking about. I know. Yeah. Oh, let's see what they got. Let's go. Let us go.
All right. Did you see the ticket prices?
Yeah, boy. He did.
In Charlotte on Sunday. On StubHub, tickets in the secondary market, they were selling for 45 cents.
I think Packers heard, Johnny.
Yeah, 9-7. They came back and won again.
Oh my God.
What's it good about the housing ball? Weren't they in first place too? It was 2 records. They're all.
Boo! That's a turd.
All right, good save.
That's what I'm talking about, you.
Ball for the ball fakers over here. Head fake.
Yeah. Go, 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 go. What a two. Lucky you, Stonehill. That's pathetic, Stone. Whoa, whoa, come on. So much squeaking, so little time.
Yeah, that was stupid. Really stupid. That's hard to stop, you know?
Boring. Come on, go you. USA.
Boom!
Really? Oh, no. Whoa. Wow. Go get him. Go get him, number 0. Or whoever you are. Oh!